Have you ever hit the gym after years of being inactive, only to wake up the next day feeling like you've been hit by a truck? That painful stiffness that makes climbing stairs, or even sitting down feel impossible, is called delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS. It usually kicks in 8 to 24 hours after exercise, especially when you're just starting out or pushing yourself harder than usual. DOMS happens because your muscles are being challenged in new ways, causing tiny tears and inflammation at the cellular level. While this soreness can be discouraging, sometimes even scaring beginners away from fitness, it's actually a natural part of building stronger, healthier muscles. The good news? There are proven ways to reduce the pain and recover faster, so you can stay consistent and keep progressing. And that's where the right supplements and strategies can make all the difference. Meet BESTVITE L-Leucine, the essential branched-chain amino acid, BCAA, designed to support energy during exercise, stimulate protein synthesis, and help your muscles recover faster. Leucine is one of the most powerful amino acids when it comes to building and maintaining lean muscle. Since your body can't produce it naturally, supplementation is the smartest way to ensure you're fueling your body with what it needs to grow and repair. Each capsule delivers 500 milligrams of pure, clean leucine. No fillers, no junk, non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free. And because it's made in the USA in an NSF GMP certified facility, you can trust you're only putting the best into your body. Why should you try it? Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Without it, your progress stalls, soreness lingers, and motivation drops. With BESTVITE L-Leucine, you'll support energy during exercise, maintain lean muscle, and recover faster so you can show up stronger every time. Imagine how much faster you'd hit your goals if soreness didn't hold you back. Don't miss out. Try BESTVITE L-Leucine today, link in the description. And also, what's the worst soreness you've ever had after a workout? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.